How to do airplane mode on Monopoly Go. Now, this is only a glitch and it's not going to be 100% working, but you can also try it on your end. Now, this is preferably for only if you, say, for example, you roll a dice and then you lose a round, and then you wanted to reset everything and get back to where you came from the first part that you haven't rolled a dice yet. So to do so, just simply go to your phone home and then just simply turn on your airplane mode. Once you turn on your airplane mode, go to your settings, look for apps, and then go to manage apps, and then search for Monopoly Go right here. Now all you have to do is press on clear data, and from here all you need to do is just clear all data and do not clear cache. Now once you've done clearing all data, you go back to your phone home, you turn off the airplane mode, and then once you go back to your game, it will automatically reset and where you started. So that's how simply how you will do the airplane mode on Monopoly Go.